everybody! Today I'm going to be doing a video on the items of clothing that I'm going to be using for the fall 10 by 10 challenge. And if you don't know what the fall 10 by 10 or like the 10 by 10 challenge is in general, it's this, I guess it's just a challenge that Lee Vosberg from the Style Bee created, and what you do is you take 10 core pieces from your wardrobe, and then you only wear those specific core pieces throughout a 10-day period. And this includes pants, skirts, tops, sweaters, outerwear, and shoes. You can mix in like accessories like hats and scarves and like socks and stuff. But the overall like core items for the outfits have to be the same 10 that you chose for the challenge. And I've never actually participated in this before. I've done capsule wardrobes several times, like starting like several years ago. I have done capsule wardrobes, and I really like that, but I kind of am interested to see like how much of a challenge this will be. So I decided I wanted to participate. This happens every single season, so it happens 4 times a year, and the autumn one starts on Monday. The day that I'm recording this, it's Saturday, and this starts on like the 22nd of October, I think. I'll just double check that because I'm not sure what day that is. Yeah, it's the 22nd of October. So starting then, you're supposed to only wear these 10 pieces that you chose. The only thing that I might have to like compromise on during that time period is, so Halloween is during that time period. It's like the last day in the challenge, I think, if I counted correctly. But the thing is, at my work we always like come in dressed in costumes on Halloween. It's kind of like a big deal at my office. I know like most people's offices it's like definitely not something that they do, but at my work it's like a big deal. We make a big deal about it. So I am not going to be wearing something from my like list of clothes that day, but I'll just wear it the next day instead, just so that I make sure that I do it for actually 10 days, even though one of the days will not be consecutive. It'll just be one day after. I'll still be completing the challenge. So I have all my items planned out, and I thought it'd be interesting to like talk about what I chose and why I chose it. And then I actually have taken pictures of the outfits that I probably will wear during this time period, but I don't want to post those or anything. I'm just gonna wait till the day of, and I will be posting them on my sewing Instagram just to like show off the outfits. I think like the majority of I don't know about actually the majority, but a lot of the clothes that I picked out are handmade, so I think it works for my sewing Instagram, and I really don't I'm really not active on my other Instagram anyway, so yeah. I'm gonna just start out. I think maybe I should start out with the shoes, since it's like, I guess, the easiest thing. I pretty much just have like a really super casual pair of shoes, and then a, I guess, more dressy like ankle boot. So I have some sneakers that I really love. These are Bangs sneakers, which is a really good company, and these are just like some like rusty colored shoes. I really love these shoes. They're very comfy, and I don't tend to wear a lot of like fancy outfits, so those will work with like everything in my capsule for this challenge. And then I have some new shoes that I recently got. These are some Chelsea boots from Nisolo. I actually got these because last year I bought the Chuka boots, the Issa Chuka boots, and I got a size 8.5, and I usually wear an 8.5, and I got them because they said they were true to size, but they are kind of tight on me. So I don't tend to wear those that often, as much as I'd like, just because they're kind of tight. And so I wanted to get another pair of ankle boots that would be more comfortable and I could wear around, and hopefully those will be very comfortable. I've tried them on and I got a 9 in those ones, so hopefully they'll be better. Next I'm going to move on to my outerwear. I have 2 pieces that would qualify as outerwear, and the first one is this denim jacket, and this is just a denim jacket that I thrifted a few years back, and as you can see I've added like a few patches on it. I also embroidered my name on here, so I think it's really cute, and it goes with a lot. The only problem I have is that it is kind of short for my really long torso, but you know, I think it's cute and it'll work with a lot of stuff. My capsule's gonna definitely lean very casual, but that's just because it's the environment that I am in the most. And then I have this really, really long cardigan that's like my favorite. I wear this like multiple times a week, and this is like, if you can believe it, it's almost a year old. And because I take good care of it and like sweater shave it, it stays in good shape. So yeah, this is something that it could be considered not outerwear, but I'm gonna wear it as outerwear because, or like the outermost layer, because it's really warm and I don't know that it's gonna be super cold during next week. Right now it's just gotten like into the 60s and 50s. So I don't have to worry too much about like a really heavy jacket or anything. So that's good. Next I'm gonna go over, I guess, the bottoms. And the first pair is my black Morgan jeans. These ones are like my favorite pair of jeans. They're really comfy and obviously they go with a lot because they're black. And I really like those. I wear those a lot anyway, so I thought, why not? I didn't want something that would like, I don't know, something that I could wear over and over and it would still look okay. Because some of my jeans, like, if I don't know, I feel like if I wear them too much between washing, they don't look right. Like the shape gets all weird, but those ones are very high quality denim, so they're good. Speaking of high quality denim, my next item is this Seymour Cleonora skirt that I lengthened and used the slash pockets for. This is just like a really classic shape and definitely goes with a lot. And it's long enough so that I don't feel like it's, I don't know, too short, and I don't feel uncomfortable in any context because it like goes to my knees. So yeah, that goes with a lot, and it, I don't know, it'll play well with the other shapes that I have going on. And then my last like bottom piece is going to be my Cleo, which is just like an overall dress or like a dungaree dress or pinafore, depending on what you want to call it. I was having a lot of trouble like actually deciding what pieces I wanted to include. I was trying to decide if I wanted to do another skirt or another pair of jeans, but I ended up deciding on this just because I think it gives such a different look, and I wanted to have stuff that like I could rotate in and out and it would just, you know, give me a good variety. Obviously a more full skirt would give me a different silhouette, but I think with the tops that I chose, like a full skirt wouldn't make a ton of sense. And I guess that leads me on to my top choices. I have 3 more things, and these are all super layerable, so I can like pretty much layer all of them with each other. The first one is this plaid flannel shirt that I thrifted a while back, and I really love the colors, and it's just warm. And yeah, this is like where my main colors are coming in, is in my tops. So as you can see, I'm just going to put this here so you can see it better, so we can see the colors sort of emerge. And then I have this turtleneck that I recently made. This is a Monroe turtleneck. from Tessuti. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a very, very thin pinstriped jersey. It's like a dark reddish rusty brown color, and it's really pretty. I think I might actually layer this underneath the plaid, even though that could be like kind of clashy. I actually kind of am into it, so I might do that. And then my last item is this sweater, which is like this nice pink, fluffy, I don't know, it's so cozy. I thrifted this last year, and it was like exactly what I was looking for, because I wanted a really light pink fluffy sweater. The only problem is it can be a little bit itchy if I wear it like with nothing underneath, but I do plan on layering it with these a lot. Yeah, so those are the 10 items that I plan on using during my 10 by 10 challenge. If you want to actually see the outfits that I'm wearing, I definitely would recommend checking out my Instagram, because I will be posting there starting on Monday. So that's pretty much all I have for today. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!